I love my AirPods. It's tiny, it's comfortable, and its audio quality is really nice. And maybe that is the reason it is so popular. In fact, it is the most selling wireless earphones on the planet. By 2018, AirPods were Apple's most popular accessory product with 35 million units sold, which later increased to 60 million units in 2019 and over 100 million units in 2020. In fact, AirPods as a product is so successful that if I were to separate the sales of AirPods from the rest of Apple products, it alone generated 23.2 billion US dollars. And you know what's the most shocking part about all of this? This number is more than the revenue generated by Twitter, Spotify, and Square combined. Well, that's just one of the crazy facts about Apple that I'll be sharing with you in today's video. Do you know that Apple is a secret police called Worldwide Loyalty Team, and its main job is to protect the secrecy of Apple's upcoming products. This department makes sure that all the employees that are involved in various stages of any product's manufacturing submit their phones for inspection so that any product's information doesn't leave the company. They are so serious about their work that Loyalty Team once impersonated as San Francisco police officers to search a localized home for an iPhone prototype. Well, that's scary, isn't it? Okay, so let's move on and talk about Apple's products pricing strategy. If you think that the prices stacked by Apple on products such as iPhones, AirPods, Macs are confusing and they haven't given it a proper thought, then my friend, you are really mistaken. In 2019, Apple launched the iPhone 11 priced at $649, while the iPhone 11 Pro was sold at $999, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max was sold at $1,099. Here, the iPhone 11 Pro acted as a decoy for iPhone 11 Pro Max because both of these products do not have much difference when it comes to prices. So a consumer would be tricked into comparing the iPhones and eventually buying the more expensive one, thinking that it will offer them more value for money. This is called the decoy effect, and Apple is guilty of using it all the time. Another strategy that is used by Apple every year after launching a new iPhone is price skimming, a strategy by which a firm changes the high prices of a product initially and then lowers it over time. This is the reason why older iPhones are sold at a discounted price as soon as Apple launches a new one. Alright, so let's talk about the next fact. But before talking about that, I'd highly appreciate if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're liking this video so far. So let's talk about Apple stores. There are approximately 512 retail stores in 25 different countries, and my friend, some of them are really stunning. Like this 2 billion Apple Tower Theater in Los Angeles that Apple created in collaboration with leading artists, preservationists, and architects. The experts restored the 1920s Los Angeles Theater and renamed it to Apple Tower Theater as we know it. And you know what's the most craziest part about this Apple store? In fact, not just this Apple store, but out of all of these 512 Apple stores that are situated in 25 different countries, as long as you are not rude, crude, or stinky, you are free to hang around in Apple store all day. You can play games on the new Macs, test out the new iPhones, check out the new Apple Watches, and other cool stuff. The officials aren't going to make you leave even if you decide to stay there whole day. Now let's talk about the most craziest fact about Apple. Apple has worked hard to build its reputation by having employees who are obsessed with changing the world through their technology. And if you want to be one of these people and work for Apple, then it isn't going to be easy. For a company that has a 2% acceptance rate, one can say that the chances of you getting into world's most prestigious institutions such as Harvard and MIT is more if you would compare it to the chances of you getting into Apple. According to the ex-candidates and current employees, if you are not from a well-known university, you'll have to undergo 7 rounds of interview. And in practical test, each candidate is given 10 questions to solve in an hour. And through that test, the officials not only check the candidate's bookish knowledge, but the presence of mind and capability of taking decisions under tremendous pressure. And according to the candidates that have taken that test, those problems are so complex that even one of them takes about an hour to solve. And that's almost impossible to solve 10 such problems in 60 minutes. But that is the challenge. If you're able to solve even one of their problems using your smartness, then congratulations, my friend. You're hired and you're offered a job at world's most valuable brand. Well, that is it for this video. Do let me in the comments down below which fact about Apple shocked you the most. If you like to stay updated with everything Apple, then make sure you download the iGeeksBlog app from the App Store. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.